Here's how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. Go up to View, Show, and here grid lines can be unchecked. And there we have no grid lines. But why do we want to remove grid lines? One reason we might want to remove grid lines is to actually put grid lines that we like. So if I select everything except the header here, and I'm going to go to borders here. Now we have a lot of selections of borders. We can do inside borders, everything borders. We can just do the outside. We can do any of the sides, right, left, top, bottom, or even just the horizontal borders if we want. But over on the right side with border style, I can create a thicker border as well. Let me create the thickest here. And I'm going to do all borders. And so we can create a much different feeling of a sheet. We can bold everything to really pop it out without those grid lines. And now this task, this header that was maybe with some color popping out, now sort of recedes into the background, and our checklist here is very well seen. We can also choose to do borders that are dashed or dotted. Let's select the whole page there and do all borders, and see we have dot all around. So essentially, to just get dotted or dashed borders, we have to remove grid lines first and then add borders. Another reason we might want to remove borders by going to Show, Uncheck, is that we want to use color. Even if we want to use color above, and let's say we'll create a little count here. So we want to know how many tasks we have. We're just going to count all of them. But we want to show this off without borders. We're going to just put this with some color. Let's try maybe a bright yellow. And so we have a task counter up here and our tasks under here. We can even freeze our task row. A much different feeling than just having grid lines and some data. If you're looking to get more out of Google Sheets than you ever have before, do cool things, do cool automation, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets.